Este serán con de y de computers.com otro video para ti hoy. More computer problems. That's all the information technology world is. It's just fucking problems. I get sick and tired of it. And quite frankly, it's fucking boring. And thank fucking dog, I have other aspirations and interests. Macintosh users, me personally, are some of the biggest pain in the ass. When it comes to users, Linux, Windows, I would say, in my opinion, Mac users are the biggest pain in my ass. I don't have any idea how they even know how to use a Macintosh computer. Because when it comes time to instructing them on how to just download TeamViewer or download remote connection software, or telling them that they have to know their fucking administrator password in order to install software or in order to upgrade their Mac operating system, it fucking turns into a nightmare. I mean, no wonder we computer technicians are mentally ill. At least I am. This one deals with brother MFC 9325CW. Here is their request. All of a sudden, I cannot find the control center file on my MFC 9325CW that will let me mail, save, or PDF the scan document. I cannot find graphic that lets me scan. I have gone through all application files. All files cannot find much of a brother file. Please give me directions on how to download correct files for my MFC 9325CW and place those files on our application computers or set up wireless. Message is check connection, but I cannot find any brother file with applications. This end user was so... I don't understand it. Why do these people even have computers if they don't know how to even use them? They don't even know how to perform the simplest tasks. They couldn't even download the remote software so I could remotely connect and install the software for them. They wasted a bunch of my time. But I take advantage of these requests and I write blog posts about them, and I search engine optimize them, and no, you're not going to waste my fucking time. No, I will receive compensation eventually. That means traffic, and then I upsell, and then fuck no, I don't do shit for free. I don't give you fucking, especially when these clowns, they don't even know how to download remote software so that you can remotely connect into their computers. And a high percentage of them are Mac users. It's like, what the fuck? This individual was using an iMac. So here's the instructions. Click on the link in the description box below that will take you to my website at ainatcomputers.com, my blog post with full written instructions showing you how to download the scanner software, install it, and get on your merry way. I do not have a Mac to demonstrate, but it's real easy. It's so easy. I don't get it. It just boggles my mind. Even forgetting your Mac password, I don't understand how that's possible. Forgetting your Apple ID password is it just blows any logic away. Why do you even use computers? Why? If you can't even perform the simplest basic tasks. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the link I provided. That'll take you to Brother's website. Then follow these instructions, man. It's not rocket science. It's real easy, man. Macintosh computers are so fucking easy. It's just ridiculous. They're so dumbed down, and yet a high percentage of Mac users, they can't complete the simplest tasks, man, and it just fucking drives me insane. You know what I'm saying? Select Mac under select your operating system. You will need to select the correct operating system you are using. You're going to need to know the exact version of Macintosh operating system that is installed. Click on the Mac icon on the upper top left menu of your Macintosh computer. Choose about this Mac. It will tell you what version. Here's an example, 10.11.2. You're going to need to know that. Now, select the same version on the Brother Downloads page under Select OS Version. Now you click on search. Then you will click on scanner driver. Then you're going to have to click on the agree to the EULA. I don't give a shit about the legality of that crap. Click on the EULA and download link, and then select save file. So you want to save it to your Mac hard drive. Then all you have to do is it's a .dmg file. That's all it is. It's just an extension. Double click it and then kick off the installation, and then follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen prompts. And then eventually the scanner software will get installed, and then you'll be scanning. I don't even own a Macintosh computer. When I was in junior high, I used Mac computers. The Apple IIc and the 2 Pluses, I think. They were basically just big old keyboards. They kind of looked like typewriters. They had a full keyboard, and then I think some of them had cartridges and some of them had tape drives, and you would either, plug in a cartridge, or you would load a program or a game off of a tape or floppy. They had floppy drives too. But it's like, I don't understand. I don't even own a Mac, and I can go into a corporate environment and I can reinstall the operating system, and I can set it up for a brand new hire. If I can figure it out, anybody can figure it out. I just don't understand these Mac users. I don't get it. Windows users aren't much better, but in my opinion, an average Windows users, they have more knowledge when it comes to installing software, performing a little bit of troubleshooting. They're similar. They forget their fucking goddamn Microsoft account passwords, but overall, I would say Windows users are a little bit more sophisticated. You can give them instructions, and in my opinion, a higher percentage of them will figure it out on their own. Whereas a Mac user, it's like a deer in the headlights. And I'm not dissing on deer, because what would you do if you saw a motorized vehicle, driving 70 miles an hour and, oh shit, I'm about to get hit? I don't understand Macintosh users, man. I don't get it, man. I don't understand how. I don't even know how it's possible. How can you use a Macintosh computer and not know how to follow simple instructions showing you how to click on a link, saving the file, double clicking it, giving the other person the ID and password so that they can remotely connect via TeamViewer? They can't even perform that. So why the fuck are they using a computer? Just stick to your televisions and microwaves, please. Adios.